Steve Jobs founded Apple. Bill Gates founded Microsoft. And on April 1st, 2022, Dan On found the perfect chair at an Ikea. You might be thinking, well, it can't be more comfortable than those crazy expensive Herman Miller chairs, can it? Well, here's footage of me reviewing a $2,000 Herman Miller Cosm and a $1,000 Herman Miller Sail. Just look at which chair I chose to sit in for the majority of those reviews. So yes, it's that good. This is the Flaw seat, but it should be called the Flawless seat. It also kind of looks like Flaccid, but it should be called Erect AF. If you're worried about this chair absorbing booty juices, don't be. This is Swedish engineering. Flaw seat stands for fart looms around seat instead of through it. Tall people are always complaining, oh, there's no seat designed for tall people. What, winning the genetic lottery wasn't enough for you, huh? But even I have to admit that this is the perfect chair for you tall freaks of nature out there. When you sit in it, you'll be at the same height as those who are genetically designed to be less prone to be knocked over by strong winds when they sit in a typical but lesser office chair. If you're short, learn how to type on the keyboard without looking at the keys. It's 2022 for God's sake. Only then will you be qualified to sit on this masterpiece. Each seat comes with unique, sophisticated modern art. It may look like my 5-year-old drew on it, but I assure you,